Well, hello folks, and welcome to the follow-up video to using a smartphone for a voice recorder. Stay tuned and see what we do next. So guys, a few days have passed now since we did our smartphone for a voice recorder video. So thought I'd just do this little follow-up video. So what we've done, we've swapped over cameras now, and we're going to use my little compact camera, which is a Canaon Powershot S200. Now, brilliant little camera, but not very good audio, and unfortunately hasn't got a microphone input. And I think it also shoots the video at 720p, not full HD. But anyway, nevertheless, nice little camera. So what we're going to do is we're going to compare the audio out of the camera, and then record some audio, same as before, on the smartphone using the built-in microphone, and then plug a lav mic into it. So we're going to try that. So in keeping with tradition, as usual, here we go. Mary had a little lamb, she also had a bear. I've often seen a lamb, but never seen a bear. So there you go, guys. So what I'm going to do now is get my smartphone set up, and we're going to record the audio with that. So just bear with me, guys. So folks, here we are. We're now recording the audio on the smartphone. Again, same app, tape to talk, tape to talk. I don't know, one of the two, tape to talk. But just got to keep my eye on the phone, guys, like I said before, because it will shut itself down if it goes into sleep mode. So again, we're holding it, what, let me say that, about a foot away from my mouth. So there you go, guys. We're now on the smartphone. So I'll just turn it around again so you can see. I don't know how well that will focus, because I can't see anything, because unfortunately, guys, the little Canaon Powershot hasn't got a flippy screen. So I hope I'm actually in shot. But anyway, guys, so what we do now, this is the audio recorded onto the smartphone and then synced up in the software. So again, here we go. Mary had a little lamb, she also had a bear. I've often seen a lamb, but never seen a bear. So there you go. What I'm going to do now, guys, is I am going to swap over and put the lav microphone in the phone now, and we'll try that. So just bear with me a minute, guys. So folks, there we go. We're now recording the audio into the smartphone via this little lavalier microphone. So looking at the audio pattern on the phone, it's certainly working very well. So there we go. Mary had a little lamb, she also had a bear. I've often seen a lamb, but never seen a bear. So there we go, folks. Audio via the little lavalier microphone. Now, one thing I will say, and I think I forgot to mention it in the other video, I'm actually recording this in WAV or WAV. I think that's probably the best audio format to use. Again, as I said, guys, I'm absolutely no audio expert at all. So, but having things I've seen on YouTube, seems that WAV is the best one to use. But anyway, guys, so this is the end of this little short video. Again, I'm going to go and edit this. I might actually edit this in Windows Movie Maker, just so we can sync it up manually. But there you go, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this little set of videos, and we will catch you on the next one. So bye bye for now.